Anene kuma ruhonge ruru manyitanire hamwe na injinia wa gicigo giki Joshua Mshindai marauga ni moe mbeu njithi ni magirirwo kuheo tenda icio no muhuthia wao wa kwaga kurumirira tenda icio ni kuo kuramagira kamweke.
What you have told the youth is that the fact that 30% of the jobs have been allocated to them does not mean that you just sit there and then expect the tenders to come. You have to do something. You have to stand up and make sure that you meet the required conditions.
Mbau njithi nao makiariririo ni murugamiriri wao Robert Sigei ni maugite no mende tenda icio muno no matire na umenyo makiria wigie uria mangihota kuona tenda icio.
I like to urge the youth that it's their responsibility. It's their right to get the tenders, but it's also their responsibility to see that they are applying for these tenders, not just complaining outside there.
Robert ni oritie honge itiganite iteithiririe mbeu njithi na maloan niguo mahote kwambiriria biashara itiganite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV getwo Kate Muthoni.